Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on Young Studio 4D. Today I want to show you how to play eFootball PS 2021 with two Xbox controllers or two controllers. Okay, because if you have PS4 or PS5 controllers, you can also do the same action. Okay, let me show you how to do this easily. Okay, get ready. Don't forget to click on share and get ready for this amazing video. First of all, you need to have controllers. Okay, this is Xbox original version. This is Xbox One original. Okay, with this is a controller. You can connect this to your beautiful PC with a USB cable or a beautiful Microsoft USB adapter. Okay, to play wirelessly because you can play wirelessly, but they are not Bluetooth inside. They are Bluetooth on this thing here. This is Xbox One S controller. There are Bluetooth inside. As you can see, the design is so different. Can you see this? Look at that and look at this. They are not Bluetooth here. There are Bluetooth here with this design and the all new version of Xbox controller. They are Bluetooth now. Now, what can you do? You need to connect the both to your controller to your gaming laptop. You need to have also a gaming laptop with a game like this game PS 2021. Now let me connect my beautiful controller to my PC. Okay, if you want this controller for first player, turn on this first. And if you want this controller for first player, you can connect this controller to your PC first. Okay, wonderful. Now use this. Okay, you have this. Turn. Now it's connected to this PC, this gaming laptop. Now let's test. Wonderful. As you can see, it's working, no problem, and wonderful. Now let's connect this controller to this PC. I have a USB cable and I want to do this. Wonderful. Okay, now it's connected to my USB cable and as you can see it's on. Let's test to see if it's working. Great, working. Can you see this? Wonderful. Let's test it also. This controller to see if it's working. Wonderful. The both are connected and it's working. Great. Now you are ready to play. You are ready to play. Definitely. Okay. Let me test this with you. Okay, now I'm ready. Like, subscribe and share. This video is amazing. Now you have two controllers. As you can see, all of these are connected. What you need to do, this is simple. You can enter to this game, move this like that. Can you see? It's connected and it's working. And this nothing because it's not the player one. If you want to change, you can change on your setting to put this on player one, or when you connect to your PC, connect first this. Thank you. Now let's go. As you can see, it's working very well, no problem. Wonderful. Okay, what can you do now? This is simple. Let's launch a game quickly. Okay, local game versus. Okay, versus. You can launch a versus game. Wonderful. Now select a match, and what can you see? You can see here user 1 and user 2 is here. You need to move here, okay, home and away. Okay, for your first controller you have this wonderful working. Now take this and move to the second position in away. Nice. Now you are ready to play. If you want to make this controller first player, you can just move and put this here or connect it. Okay, this is good. This is good. Now get ready to go. Get ready because it's amazing. No. Let's play. Let's play. You have this Barcelona. Okay. Now with the second controller, look at it's working. You can choose. Nice. And what? Wonderful. You can enter to the gameplay directly. As you can see, it's not a joke. It's real. And it's working very well. This is the good news today. This is the good news for me. Yes. The game can start right now.
Sont là, tout le monde attend cette rencontre depuis des jours. On ne parle que de ça ici, dans les journaux, au café.
Okay, put my PC on performance now. And now you can see good graphics. Nice. Wonderful.
Ça, c'est un duel qui ne manquera pas d'intérêt vu la qualité des deux équipes.
Okay, let's see if it's working. This is the first player, okay, first user. Now as you can see, it's working. Nice. Okay, beautiful. Now take the next controller to see if it's working. Okay, can you see this? Nice, it's working. As you can see, it's working. No problem. Can you see this? Do you believe it? Nice. Boom! Can you see this? Wonderful, it's working. No problem with this. And this is what I'm talking about. We're crazy. Okay, change the controller now. Beautiful. Nice. Very good. As you can see, the both controllers working very well and is amazing. If you have USB Microsoft USB adapter, you can connect this to your wirelessly to your beautiful gaming laptop and enjoy yourself. Thank you for watching. I love you.